In this video, we are going to fix Windows 11 update error 0x80072f78 in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to navigate here at the search box. Please type for the WS reset. So running the WS reset will help you to clear the Windows Store cached. So once a best match has been seen, you need to click on this forward arrow key here, and then you need to go with the open. So wait until you can see an open option here. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you need to wait until you'd be able to successfully clear the Windows Store cached. And once you are done, try to check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? However, if not, then you need to move on to the next solution. Okay, so the next solution would be you need to navigate here at the search box again, and this time please type for CMD. Once you've typed that, you need to wait until you can see a best matched here in this window. Please navigate to the right side and click on the Run as Administrator. So please click on Run as Administrator. And from that, first is you need to copy the commands that I have provided at the YouTube description. These are three commands. You need to copy and paste it here one by one. So the first is running the SFC space forward slash scan now. Please make a right click here. And once you have pasted it, wait until it would be done. Okay. And once you are done, you need to proceed on pasting the second. So this will restore the health of your computer. Wait until this would be done as well. Please copy it. And then please navigate here at the third solution. The third command, sorry. Then you need to go with the checking the health of your computer. Okay? So this three commands will take some time, maybe 10 minutes or more than that, but please be patient. Don't close this command prompt system unless you are done. And once you are done, restart your computer. And once you've restarted it, check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the next solution. The next solution would be you need to make a right click here at the start, then scroll up and click on the settings. Here at the settings, you'll see a left pane which contains a list of the option. Please locate with the option called apps, click on it, and under the apps, you need to proceed to the installed apps where you can uninstall and manage apps on your device. And under the Windows installed apps, where here it contains the list of applications which are present on your computer, you need to find for the Windows Store or the Microsoft Store and you need to reset it. So please wait until it will be ready first before we continue on doing that process. Okay, so please scroll down and find for the Microsoft Store. So just begin on finding such since there are a bunch of lists here. So once you have find your Microsoft Store, you need to reset it. Okay? So just have to search it here. If you haven't find your store here, just search it here at the search bar. And the moment you have seen it, click on the three dots and then click on the advanced options and click on reset. Once you've resetted it, check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the last solution. The last solution would be here at the search box. Please type for panel. You'll see a control panel system here. Please navigate to the right side and go with open to proceed. Now click on open. Once you have opened this one, you need to proceed to the changing first for the view like this. You need to change your view like this. So navigate to the view by, click on this down arrow key and change it into large icons. Once done, please proceed to Windows Defender Firewall. Click on that one. And the moment you click on it, you'd be able to see a list under the left pane. Please proceed to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on that one. And then once you've clicked on it, you'll see here under the private and public network settings, please turn it off. Once you're good, click on OK. And then you need to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? So those subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.